Hi everyone, this class we are going to learn about parts of a circle. This class we are detailing know about what is the radius, what is the diameter and what is the chord. Let's start the class. Okay, first what is this? Yes, it is a circle, right? Circle we know that it has no sides and no vertices and also it has no diagonals. Yes, now we will learn more about circle. Let's start. Look at the picture, what it is. Circle, right? You have to fix one point on the paper and you use compass and make a circle. Now we get perfectly shaped, right? Yes. Hereafter we say that fixed point on the circle, it is called as center point of the circle. Next one, radius. What is a radius? The distance from the center point to at any point on the circle, that is called the radius. I had one doubt. A circle has only one radius? No. A circle has so many endpoints on the circumference. So we have many radius in the circle. Right children? See the picture, we can easily understood. And also, all the radius are equal in length in a circle. Right children? Now we know easily understood what is the radius. The distance from center point to at any point on the circle. That is radius. And also, it has many radius. And then all radius are equal in length. And then diameter. What is the diameter? A line segment runs only on the center point of the circle. That is, we say diameter. See the picture. We have center point. Now we have to join the line one end point to another end point on the circle. In this center point, is there any radius? Yes. How many radius is there? Yes, it has two radius like this. Now we know it is equal to twice the radius of the circle. Yes, and we denoted by small d or capital D. The formula of diameter 2 into r, 2r. Here also, how many diameter can be drawn in a circle? One or many? Yes, we can draw many diameter passes through only in center point. Now we have to clearly about what is the diameter. Yes, the line segment passes through only on the center point of the circle, right? And also it has twice the radius of the circle. And we denoted D. The formula of diameter is 2 into R. And the next one is chord. What is the chord? Take any 2 point, okay, any 2 end point on the circumference of the circle. You have to connect the line. That is, we say chord. Here, see the picture. Here, X and Y. And we have to connect the line. Yes, that XY is a chord. So we say the line segment joining two end points on the circumference of the circle. That is a chord. How many chord can be drawn on a circle? Yes, we can draw many or infinite chord we can draw on a circle because it has lots of end point on the circumference of the circle. So that's why we have to draw many or infinite chords drawn on the circle. I had one doubt. Diameter also a chord? Yes, is diameter also a chord because it is also connected to end points on the circle, but it is lies on the center point, that we say a diameter. Yes, the longest chord of the circle is, yes, diameter. Every diameter is a chord, but every chord is a diameter? No. Why? Because the chord is not lies on the center point. So we have say chord is not a diameter. Now clearly understood what is the radius and what is the diameter and what is the chord. Okay children. Now write the answer in the fill-ups. First one, all the radii of the circle are, what is that? We can draw many radius. The radius are, yes, equal in length. Second one, the dash is the longest chord of the circle. Which one is the longest chord of the circle? Yes, it is diameter. Third one, a line segment joining any point on the circle to its center called the dash of the circle. And we have to connect the center point to at any point on the circle. Yes, what it is? Correct. Radius. Fourth one, a line segment with its end point on the circle is called take a two endpoints and make a line. What is that? Yes, it is a chord. The fifth one, twice the radius is. Yes, what is that? Diameter. The last one is homework. Identify the center point, radius, diameter, and chord. Okay, you have to take and write all these things. Bye, children. Thank you.